Nice little man-made, not really a dam, but there's the Waterfall River. They have this walking bridge right here that you can cross.
That's the other end of the bridge.
Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. That's why I wanted to drive over it. But yeah, they wouldn't let me drive over it. Hello. Yeah, it's slippery. The leaves. Yeah. This is.
I don't think we can.
Let's go. If we go, we won't get back up.
I know. Let's just.
Yeah, let's leave it here. Yeah. Where's reverse? Go help him. Go help him. Okay. Go help him. Yeah. She just said a little bit closer, not all the way. So yeah, if we go down that, we're never getting back up.
I know.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. That's why I brought that. You guys gonna go swimming? I'll go if you go. All right. There they are, guys. This is the entrance to the waterfall. It's bath time.
Waterfalls.
Yeah.
Solo.
Oh, I'm glad. Not so much trash back here as I was expecting. I was expecting a lot of trash. So here's some of it. Look at them rocks. Big ass rocks. Another walking bridge. Ta-da! Waterfalls. Very nice. Very cool. Kind of, walk bow-legged. I'm talking to the camera. Yeah. Nice looking waterfalls. Kids swimming, sliding down the rocks.
Hold on. Alright, one more.
Show us your tits. Let's get closer.
Alright.
So yeah, there's a chance I would never ever find this waterfall without a lot of help. Because, I mean, it might be on Google Maps, right? But I doubt it. Alright, guys. I'll probably do another one while I'm here. But this is the waterfalls.